Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today. For today's video, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show you a couple of small items I got. One of them is from Louis Vuitton. But before we get started, let me show you my bag of the week. I am still carrying my Coach Cassie bag. I told you guys I've just absolutely fallen in love with it. It is a fabulous everyday bag. It's carefree. I absolutely love it. So I've been carrying this for a week straight. I will be changing out of it on Sunday, and it's going to be hard to do. Okay, so I have some goodies. Now, this one just came today. It's a true unboxing. This one came the other day, and this one came the other day. So we're gonna start with a true unboxing. So I'm really excited. I hope that I like it. I hope I'm not disappointed, but you never know. So this is a true unboxing. Sometimes true unboxings make me nervous because I forgot to bring scissors up here, but I've got, this box came from Nordstrom. So let's see what I got. I'm so excited. It's so cute. And I just really felt like I needed it. But I feel like I need everything. I'm going to Disney. Actually, if you guys are watching this video, I am in Disney in Orlando at this very moment. So I had to film this video sooner and get it up before I left. And I got this item to take to Disney with me. So I really hope that I am not disappointed. So I just opened the box. And here it is. It's a small item, but I got it, like I said, to take on my trip. So here it is. Can you tell what it is? I have looked at this several times and I love the color. And so it is from, you know, my favorite contemporary designer. Although, you guys, I have to tell you that Coach is really giving Tory Burch a run for her money. I'm telling you, Coach is just rocking it these days. But I love this little item. I hope that I'm not disappointed. I'm very rarely disappointed in anything Tory Burch. So what I got was this cutie. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a little crossbody bag because when I'm in Disney, I don't want to be bothered with a bag. And I almost bought a belly bag, actually, but I might have to work my way into that. I'm not there yet, you guys. But I just wanted something small, and my daughter-in-law is going to take a backpack, and I can just easily put this in the backpack, or I can just put it in the stroller. So it is this beautiful color. I love to wear orange. You guys know my husband graduated from the University of Florida, go Gators, and I just thought this was so cute. So it's got this little back pocket for the phone. It's magnetic. I like that. So I'll pull this out. So it's a pretty strong magnetic there. It's got two zippers. Super cute. Let's see about the strap. The strap is in the back. I just wanted something very carefree. I'm just going to put a card case in here, you know, just the minimal that I will need because we are taking my little granddaughters to Disney for the first time, and they are ages 2 and not quite 4. Kennedy will be 4 in November. So we're going to see the princesses, we're going to see Buzz Lightyear and Woody, all of the gang. So I'm so excited. So I'm pulling this off. It's got the skinny little strap, and it is adjustable. So I love it. So I think I really like this. I'm not a bit disappointed. There are so many variations of this. Let me pull this off and hook it, and I will try it on for you guys. But I just thought this would be perfect for Disney because the last time I went to Disney, I wore my Pochette Métis and it was comfortable, but it was a little bit more than I needed because everything is paid for. We got the meal package and all that, so I really don't need to carry a lot with me. I just wanted something carefree, something small. So it's got two It's got 2 areas here. And I'm just gonna pull all the stuffing off so I can show you guys. I'm so excited. So it's got 2 dividers, so I can put my card case back here. I can put a lipstick. I have to have a lipstick and a lip liner with me. I probably won't use it, or maybe a mirror or some contact solution, because you never know when you're gonna have a contact attack. I don't want to be off having a good time and then suddenly I can't see. So, but I just want to take the bare necessities with me. I love the fact that it has the 2 zippers like that. And this, so I'll be able to carry quite a bit in this little cutie, so I absolutely love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I put this little cutie patootie on. I want to show you guys how cute and perfect for Disney is this little bag. It's perfect to go to a ball game, anywhere that you just need to carry your bare essentials. It's just perfect. I love it. It's light. I'll never even know that I have it on me. I think it's so cute, so it absolutely is perfect. I love it. It comes in all colors, and there's a really pretty one. It's like cream, and then the T has like different colors, and so it's so cute, and I love it. I'm really happy with it. I didn't have anything quite like it, and whenever I needed something small, I would usually carry my Pochette Métis, but sometimes you want something even smaller, so I'm really happy with this purchase. All right, item number 2 from Kendra Scott. Kendra Scott earrings are my favorite. I love Kendra Scott jewelry, and I've just started collecting it since last year, and I'll make a video about my Kendra Scott collection because it's affordable. Of course, they do have a fine line collection, but all of mine is costume. But I love Kendra Scott, and if you wait, like I have my eye on a couple pair of earrings, and I think they're on sale right now actually, but if you see something that you like, sooner or later it will go on sale. But I just picked these up, and I have been wearing them and loving them. So let me show you what I got. I went ahead and put them back in the box for you guys. So it has a nice box, a magnetic box. Comes in a dust bag. If you guys have not tried the Kendra Scott earrings, especially the earrings, they're my favorite, but I love all the necklaces too. I think I have 3 necklaces. You're missing out because it's such great quality. So it comes in a drawstring bag. And are you guys surprised? They are hoops. The thing about these, they're shaped a little bit different. If I can get them out of this bag, I will show them to you. But they're shaped a little different, and that's what got my attention. They're kind of that brushed, kind of aged gold hardware look. And you see the shape of them? They're very wide from the front. You guys know hoop earrings are my absolute favorite. They also come in kind of a brushed silver tone that I love. But I just thought these were fabulous. I'm going to take them off and put one on for you. This is the perfect size. My anniversary is coming up next month, and we have decided that we're just not going to do gifts this year. It's our 15th wedding anniversary, but I have gotten too much stuff. But my husband said, come on now, you know you want me to get you something. And you know what? Are these gorgeous? I might ask him for another pair of Kendra Scott earrings, the silver tone, just like this. I mean, gifts do not always have to be, you know, expensive. I think these were about $90, and they're very substantial. I'm going to come a little closer. I don't want to scare you guys, but I just want you to see how gorgeous these are. I love them. Lady B, you know you need them. We always want what each other has, right? You know you need these. And I think that you like gold. This would be for you. This is perfect for you, Lady B. Would be so pretty on you. I love them. I am just obsessed with these earrings. Such a great purchase. And they might even be cheaper now. I don't know. I haven't looked. But if you ever see something from Kendra Scott that you really like, just keep watching because they go on sale all the time. So I'm really super excited about these earrings. I will look for the earrings, the Kendra Scott earrings, and link them below if anybody is interested. I can't really remember if I ordered them from Nordstrom or Kendra Scott. I'm not sure, but I will find them. And if I can find them, I will link them below. All right, you guys. I was a bad girl. I had to have them. Oh my goodness, you guys. I promised I was going to be good. But I mean, really, I couldn't help myself because this is an item that I saw them when I was in Ireland, and I just thought, no, I don't need to get them. But I never, does that give you guys a hint? I never stopped thinking about this item. So I decided I was gonna break my be good rule one last time before Christmas, one last time. And I was gonna go ahead and get these because I was scared to death that they might be discontinued. I don't know. I can't even remember the name of them, but I will find them and I will link them below. But I'm probably giving it away, right? What do you guys think is in this box, right? But I was just so scared that this item would be discontinued and I would have to look all over the place. And when I get something in my head, I can't stop thinking about it. And this item, I could not stop thinking about. So it is not a true unboxing, of course, but I packaged this item back up for you guys. So let's see what I got. All right, so take the beautiful ribbon off. Louis Vuitton colors. It's the same as the Florida Gator colors. I love the blue and orange. It has the little drawer box. Pull it out like that. There it is in the drawstring bag. I'm so excited to show you guys. Comes in this little bag. So what do you think is in here? I kind of gave it away earlier. So let me go ahead and open up this bag to reveal my last splurge, I promise. My last splurge until Christmas, okay? Because I've got to start buying Christmas. So here they are. They are Louis Vuitton earrings. I cannot remember the name of these earrings, but I will link them below. Look at these earrings. They're hoops with the LV. How beautiful are these? They're very street savvy, I think. I love them. Kind of edgy. And I spotted these when I was in Ireland. I was like, whoa. Oh my gosh, I love them. And I just thought, I just don't need to get them. I'm just gonna pass. But you know what? I have never stopped thinking about them. So I'm gonna put them on for you. Let me take this other earring off and show you. I just can't pass them up. And I'm going to tell you guys, I'm dying for the Fendi hoops. One is gold and one is silver tone. Oh, I love them. Actually, the last time I was in Phipps Plaza, I went in there and I was like, how much are these earrings? And she said $350, and I was like, what? I thought, I'm gonna get those. And then she said, oh, I'm sorry, they're $550. And I thought, well, okay, I'll just hold off a while. I thought maybe $350 was too good to be true. But you know how it is when you can't stop thinking about something. And these earrings, ever since I laid eyes on them, they were actually on a mannequin next to my Capucines bag. And I love them. Oh my gosh, you guys. Aren't they gorgeous? Now, I do have to tell you guys, I do not buy a lot of costume jewelry, designer costume jewelry, because it is expensive for what it is. But every now and then, a piece comes along that I cannot stop thinking about. And for me, this pair of earrings are everything. So I just think they're fabulous. Lady B, I'm picking on you today. I can so see you rocking these earrings, girl. You need to ask Santa for these. These would look great on you with your style. I just love them. How beautiful with just an all black outfit. They're just gorgeous. I've worn them several times. They're very, you know what? They're substantial, yet they're very lightweight. You can look at my ear and see that they're not pulling down on my earlobe. I would say they're quite, you know, to be the size that they are, they're very lightweight. So, what do you guys think about my last splurge until after Christmas? I promise. I'm just so excited about these earrings because I just could not stop thinking about them. I keep saying that. I'm just rambling. You guys know I get rambly when I'm overly excited. But I didn't tell my husband. I ordered these for myself. This was a present from me to me. And he's like, I didn't even think he saw the box. And he was like, what came from Louis Vuitton? I was like, why do you need to know? Anyway, I promised though. I promised him, I promised myself, and I'm promising you guys, this is my last big splurge until after Christmas. But I just couldn't wait to come on here and show you guys. If you love them, jump on it. Jump on it. And I will link them below, but I just right now cannot remember the name of these earrings. And I'll tell you what else they have. They have a long pendant with the logo. I probably will get that after Christmas because I think it would be fabulous with just a solid black outfit. And I can't remember if it's a chain, if it's some kind of a leather string with just the logo like this in the middle that hangs down long. Would that not be gorgeous? But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys again next week when I get back from Disney, and hopefully I'll put together a little video for you guys. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.